Hi everyone. Most of us have learned from many teachers during our school and college days, and we remember only a few of them later on in our lives. We remember only those for the subjects which we liked and those teachers who taught us with passion, who were role models and who inspired us. Stay with this thought in mind. I am Ashok Kumar, a change consultant, trainer, a teacher and a researcher. I am part of a tribe community of middle-aged people, if I may say, from late 30s to early 60s, who are all discovering this fascinating world of social media from a gentleman called Mitthyl, who is like the teacher whom I referred, whom we remember from our school or college days. We all have been learning the art of creating and editing podcasts, videos, blogs, through the use of a variety of technologies, tools, software, and appropriate gadgets. Now, what is inspiring to us from this gentleman Mitthyl is he integrates all of them and makes it very non-threatening for people who are not even technically savvy. What is an important thing for all of us is we have realized our strengths, we are having fun, and he has helped us to visualize our goals and business model and put them all together to create our content for our learners. Now, what is important here is how this whole thing fits together into the social media and how to bring organic traffic to your website. And that is most important for us to be efficient and optimum. No doubt he pushes us sometimes, very often, to apply the learning and develop our skills. And nothing can be more satisfying than when we taste success. So I recommend you to try one of the affordable courses for you with Mitthyl, and I'm sure you will get several times the value you invest on this course. Plus, more important is he gives you whatever he has and selflessly, and he sees that you apply those learnings and succeed in your goals. All the best. Happy learning. Thank you.